So I'll be starting off with this palette that I got in Target. It's actually, it was $10. I don't know if it was on sale. I think that's just the regular price. But I really loved all these neutral colors. So I will be using this shade right here. I have no idea which brushes I'm using. I'm just gonna use this fluffy brush. Honestly, when I'm just using one color, like, I never know if I'm blending enough, so just blend for a really long time, just because. Just because that's what all the beauty gurus tell us to do, right? Now, it is time for the eyeliner. Y'all, I gotta get up close and personal for this because it never fails. This eye is always completely opposite of this eye when I do eyeliner. I'm going in with my favorite eyeliner, the NYX matte eyeliner. About to do some lashes, honey. These lashes may or may not be making an appearance to our collection. So if you're asking, these are our lashes, Dope Queen's lashes. That's where we got them from, us. I am not a lash pro. I will admit to that. I'm horrible at putting on lashes. Absolutely horrible. But we're gonna make it do what it do. Bam! Look at that. Bam! You go from regular to like vavoom. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So, it's the cutest thing. My niece is like my biggest fan on YouTube. She may just be one of my biggest fans anyways. I mean, period. So, hi Layla Boo. Auntie loves you. Anyways, we are going to do a video together where she does my makeup. She is super excited about this video. I'm a little nervous, but I've got faith in her. So, we gonna see how this video works out. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. chocolate foundation. And this is definitely one of my faves, I would say. Gonna go in with my LA Girl concealer in the color Fun. And just gonna highlight a little bit. This part doesn't have to be that pretty. Just precise. MAC dark deep mineralizing finish, and just brush all this away. This is Simply Me Beauty. Honestly, I think I got this at 7-Eleven in Vegas. And it worked, so I kept using it. This is from Colored Rain. I'm just gonna add this to the bottom of my lid for a little shimmer. Yeah, for the most important part, of course. Look at this. We are going to be going in with Bad and Bougie. Ooh, I didn't use this so much. The color came off. The writing came off. We're gonna go in with Bad and Bougie from Dope Queens Cosmetics. It's my little line that I have here. Little line, this one big thing. So if you love this red, make sure that you go to our website and purchase. It's beautiful, beautiful on darker skin tones as well. I love it. It's just a very like vibrant, fun, pinky, a little bit of pinky, hot pinkish kind of red. Perfect for the holiday season. So two sprays. Mario Badesio and my NYX Finish Matte Spray. I love this. This is a finished look. Hope you guys have enjoyed my little tutorial. And yeah, talk to y'all later.